We got that one? Or are we hurt by that one?
We are in pain.
Okay. Okay, have a seat. Welcome to our tasting room. So chef has prepared 6 flavors for you this evening.
All these in.
Yeah, just kind of lean over, start here, and then kind of work your way down. Let us know what you think they are.
And I'm supposed to start over here?
Start with that one, please.
All right, let's see.
Let her rip.
Oh, it's definitely lemon lime Gatorade.
Lemon lime.
What was that?
There's no shot clock.
That's a milk. Chocolate milk.
Okay. This is a distinct one.
That's pickle juice.
I don't like this game. That would be pickle
That's a
juice.
distinct taste. What is that one?
Pickle juice?
Okay.
Pickle juice.
That's fruit punch. Oh wait, that's the fruit punch, that's the orange.
Correct.
Another classic orange Gatorade.
You got some classics in here.
Fruit punch?
You feel good about that one?
No.
Oh,
Coffee. Is that iced coffee?
that's iced coffee.
Coffee.
When you tell me, I will go, yep, that's what it is. But no. What do you got?
You're forfeiting that pick?
Forfeit. Don't ever give it to me again.
That's pickle juice.
What
That's
is
a
it?
jar of pickles.
Yeah, we won't do that again.
These taste buds don't lie.